So you've had a great idea, a great plan, and you know where you're going. You've got a vision and a purpose. More often than not, problems, challenges and obstacles will now start to fill your mind, to put you off, to create doubt, to create that environment where you don't genuinely believe that you can do that incredible thing. So how do we deal with that? How do we deal with these obstacles, these things that get in the way? And just ask yourself this: how many brilliant plans, schemes and ideas have never got off the drawing board? They've never lasted more than 5 seconds. And so today I'm going to show you a simple way of working through all these barriers and then enable your plans and your dreams to move forward. And so here inside, now we're going to have a look at a simple structure that can help you overcome those obstacles, to work through them and have some structure in dealing with each of them as they come along. So the first thing we're going to ask is what? What is the actual obstacle? What's that thing that's causing us doubt or stopping us moving forward? So we need to identify this. And next, we're going to ask ourselves, when does this arise, or when does it have to be dealt with? And then thirdly, how do we start to manage this? How do we start to overcome the obstacle, to deal with it, to stop it being something that's going to stop that vision of the future happening? And just have a think a minute. If you can identify what the obstacle actually is, when does it have to be dealt with, or when will it occur, and how are you actually going to deal with it? That's a very good structure to help you start to get working forward on all of that. But having that structure in itself isn't just the answer, because we need to be accountable. As human beings, we all need to have somebody to help us, to guide us, somebody to encourage us or even force us. So there's 3 important people that we need now to recruit as well, to help us with each of our obstacles. So the first person is a partner, someone who's going to help you, encourage you, maybe somebody who's been there and done it to a certain degree. And secondly, we may well need to refer to expert advice, and that's the second one there, experts. Who is there who can really help you deal with that thing that it is that you're now working on? And then finally, the enforcer, the person who you're going to have to be accountable to as well as yourself. And they're there to help you move forward, to help you achieve those things that are really important to you. And if you feel that this could be a really good resource for you, then here's a grid which has what, when, how, partner, expert and enforcer. Because the chances are there's lots of things stopping you getting where you want to get. And that is how you deal with the things that are stopping you moving forward. So isolate each one, be specific with it, and thirdly, bring in the experts to help you. And the best thing of all, you've actually solved these by yourself, and now you can keep looking into that vision.